Hi, a warm welcome to Imperial Investment Fund. My name is Yavuz and I am the senior trader for the company. The business was registered in August 2019 with Companies House in UK. There are two directors being Scott Wood and Dan Pugh. Dan is also the founder of a business called Decision Investing, which offers information and education around the Forex markets, as well as a subscription service to his daily buy and sell signals. Due to the success of that, coupled with the feedback from the community of subscribers confirming the returns that Dan was yielding, led him to approach Scott with what he was doing. Between themselves, combining their talents with many months of research, came up with a business model they knew would be beneficial to literally everybody. At that point, Dan and Scott approached me and asked me what was my thoughts and opinions about this initiative. And I've got to tell you, I was instantly impressed. To have the chance to be able to be involved in something that was fully transparent, as well as life-changing results for individuals, was something that I just knew I wanted to be a part of. You see, most people work hard, they pay their taxes, they keep on top of their bills, they strive to build a better future for them and their families. But they all share something in common, and that's the desire to have an additional stream of income. So what holds people back from achieving that? Is it the lack of time to not be able to source the correct information, to be able to get involved? Or is it the trust and the confidence to place their money with somebody else? All of these reasons are all apparent, or is it just the day-to-day grind of life? Most people just end up continuing doing what they're doing, and any additional income that they have, they put into the bank and just settle for the measly returns that they see with their savings. So what we do is this. We place your funds into a fully licensed trading house, and using our proven trading signals, we enter the markets on a daily basis, which is diligently managed by myself. The markets can change at the blink of a heartbeat. You've probably seen clips or heard of algorithmic programs or robots who can trade the markets by themselves, but they react to price action. Having an actual human being who is in tune to literally every single newswire out there, as well as monitoring the technical patterns that could be changing second by second, is far more comforting for you, the client, knowing that you have somebody with a duty of care and a vested interest to deliver results. But the beauty of all of this, and most importantly, this is service available to you via a live stream. So you can watch me enter those positions into the markets, monitoring them as well as exiting them right before your eyes. So if this sounds like something that you would like to be involved in, or you just need some more information, then please feel free to contact us or watch our How It Works video. I'd like to thank you for your kind attention, and bye for now.